Hello you guys. So I just got done working out a little while ago, maybe an hour ago, and it is now 3:14. Caleb and I are going to a Dierks Bentley concert tonight, and it's outside, and I want to do a really pretty like bronzy look, and it also has to be very like durable because we're going to be outside, like sweat proof, all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to take you along my transformation. I am just kind of a mess. I'm in workout clothes still, all sticky and sweaty, and I'm gonna be probably washing my hair, if not like wetting it. Maybe I won't. I don't think I'm gonna wash my hair. I think I'm just gonna refresh it, put a bunch of dry shampoo in it, and I'm gonna kind of just take you along what I do. So I'm gonna go shower, wash my face, all that kind of stuff, and then we'll get back here and put some dry shampoo in our hair and do our makeup. So let's go. Okay, we had a slight intermission because I realized I forgot some of the different like cheeses for our fettuccine alfredo tonight, so I had to go run to the store. So my hair's been marinating for a little while. I used this Dove Care Between Washes Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. This is my favorite ever. It smells amazing. I use that on my hair, and I'm just gonna let it marinate while I do my makeup. First things first, we're gonna spray the face. This has to be very long lasting, so this is the oil control primer. I mean, not long lasting, but like withstand the heat, you know? So, this is what we're gonna do. Come on. Oh, that is on its last leg, for sure. I kind of rub it in since it was like, not the best squirt. Okay, then I'm gonna use this primer. This is from Makeup Obsession, the new brand at Target. So it's their All Blurring Primer. I hope that by the time this is up, the review will be up, but spoiler alert, I really like this primer. I don't know if it's the best blurring primer I've ever used, but I do like it, and it really smooths out the skin. For foundation today, I'm going to use two. I love mixing things. As you can tell, I mix primers, mix foundations. I love this Clean Matte BB Cream because it keeps me really nice and matte. And then this just is a little bit more fuller coverage. This is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage. And looks beautiful on the skin, just like in pictures and everything. So this is in Sand Beige, and I'm going to put a drop of that. And then I have light medium of the Clean Matte BB Cream. I'm just going to mix them on the back of my hand and put some on the face. And then I'm going to take a brush. It's from Eco Tools. I've been really into working out again, and it's felt so freaking good. I'm starting to see changes in my body again, which makes me feel really good, and I'm just like so happy that I finally started on a really good routine. Because I would like start stuff and then just get in a rut, and I just never was really motivated to do it and never made myself do it. And then lately I've just been making myself go to the gym. Like today, really didn't want to go to the gym. Or like it's not even going to the gym, go to our apartment gym. I started working. And usually I go in the morning, but today I was like, you know what, I'm going to edit a couple videos, then go. And once I was editing and I was frustrated at my computer, I like didn't want to go to the gym and work out, even though I know it makes me feel good. And so then I was thinking about not going because I was sore and tired today, and I just made myself go. And I'm so happy that I did because I feel amazing, and it was a really good workout. So I just am putting on a little bit more of that foundation to cover. For concealer today, I'm going to use a new one. This is from Makeup Obsession as well. This is their Mega Conceal in the shade 6, and I've been loving this lately. So I'm going to use this, but I'm also going to use my L'Oreal Full Wear because, hello, it's my favorite. And I want a little bit of a brighter under eye. So we're going to put a little bit of this, and it's a little bit fuller coverage. Or actually it's full coverage, and then the other one is like medium. And then use the sponge to just blend everything out. I'm really excited for this concert. It's like an outdoor theater, and John Party and Dierks Bentley are gonna be there, and some other people too, I think. And so Dierks Bentley doesn't go on until like late. I think it's like 9:30 or something. And John Party is right before him, and then there's a couple other people I think that start at like 7 o'clock. So it's gonna be a really fun night. So I'm going to use the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Powder, and put this underneath the eye area and on the eyelid, obviously, but... And then for actual powder, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder. I love this stuff. This is in the shade Translucent. And I love this to control my oils. It is one of the only powders from the drugstore that really does it beautifully. Like, some of them control my oils, but they suck all the life out of my skin. This one, I mean, definitely does kind of do that, but not like the way the other ones do. I don't know. You'll have to try it if you have oily skin, because I just think it's really unique in that way, and it makes my face look poreless. It's beautiful. I love it. Since this is like a nice bronzy look, I'm going to use this from Milani. This is their Baked Blush, hello, in Bellissimo Bronze. It's like a really pretty bronzy shade, obviously. I don't know why I'm putting this on before bronzer. Oh well. I'll like put more on if I need to. So see, it's just like a really pretty shade. And it has a golden sheen, so it's like perfect for this look. For bronzer, I'm using Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Of course. I love this bronzer so much. We're gonna go up in the hairline. And down here. Okay, I'm going to take this powder brush and just blend up my cheeks because I want a little heavy-handed on the blush. So I realized in my last Get Ready With Me video, I didn't even put highlighter on, and I don't even know what I was thinking. It was so weird of me to do that, but, you know, I still liked the way the look turned out. I knew something was different, but other than the wing, but I couldn't place it. And then I realized I didn't put highlighter on when I was editing it. So I'm going to mix highlighters. I just love mixing things, you guys. So we're going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, and this is in Molten Gold, I believe. Yeah. And then we're going to use the Makeup Obsession Mega Metal Highlighter. So first I'm going to put a little bit of Master Chrome on. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, I got to contour my nose. No wonder the middle of my face looks so light. I was looking at myself like, what is wrong? Like, looks so different. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Mega Metal. And it's very similar. It's just a little bit different. I don't know how to describe it. It's a little bit more champagne, I guess. And this is my favorite way to contour my nose lately. I just take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and this little e.l.f. crease brush. It's so good. And I just lightly go down the center of the nose. And it just gives me the most subtle, best contour that I've ever found and done on my nose. Okay, time to do the eyes. I'm going to zoom you guys in really nice and close. We're going to do brows really fast. I have pretty bushy brows. I really need to pluck them. Comb through with the Essence Make Me Brow. I'm liking more of a fluffy brow versus a structured one, and obviously as well, it's easier when my brows are really overgrown to do a fluffy brow. And then we're using the Anastasia Powder Brow Duo, or Brow Powder Duo, I don't know. Okay, so for eyes, you know, the whole look is going to be very bronzy and everything, so I'm going to stick, this is the Collab Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade Best of the Day, I believe. And so I'm going to stick with these this four quad right here. Now I'm going to go in with this light brown shade right here. I'm going to start on the outer corner of the eye and start sweeping it in. You know what? I think I have another Collab Beauty eyeshadow palette that has more neutral shades, and I think I'm going to go find that. I found it. So this one is really actually funny, the name of it, because it's called Get Ready With Me. So these are a little bit more neutral. So I'm going to use this shade right here. It's very, very similar. It might be even the same shade. Who knows? But we're going to dip into that and just keep building in the crease of the eye. All right, now I'm taking a smaller blending brush like this, and we're going to take the dark brown. So I'm going to take it on the outer part of the eye here, in circular motions, and then start sweeping it in. Okay, now we're just going to take a clean blending brush and just blend it all, and then take a little bit of the lighter brown and blend over top. Well, this got smoky pretty quickly. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit more of that brown and even dip into the orange. I'm gonna dip into this orange over here. It looks a little bit too harsh. I wanna warm it up a little bit. Now for the lid, I'm going back in the first palette here, and we're going to take this shimmery shade here. I'm going to spray my finger with a little bit of this. It's called Fix It Setting Spray by Makeup Obsession. Okay, so there is those parts of the eyes. And then I'm going to take a brush and just blend the edges a little bit. First, we're going to put the light brown shade on the lower lash line. And now I'm going to spray the flat brush and then dip it into the bronzy shade. I'm going to go along the lower lash line. First, before mascara, I'm going to line the upper lash line with the Essence Super Last eyeliner. Okay, now time to put a little bit of mascara on. This is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I am going to put falsies on, so I'm just coating them and not building them too much. For lashes today, I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie, the Ardell Wispies. I would use my magnetic ones, but they're getting a little jankety. So I'm going to just use an old-fashioned strip lash. You know, it works. Then for lash glue, I'm using the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe from Kiss. Alright, so I am done with the lashes. These actually look so natural because I'm used to the magnetic ones. So there's like double this fullness, and I think they just look really pretty and like nice and long and obviously wispy because that's what they're called. But I put a little bit more liner over the glue just to make sure it was all good. I was really proud of myself. I waited till the glue was tacky enough, and these went on like a dream. So I think I'm getting better because I'm used to the magnetic lashes now. And then I put some of this Master Precise Skinny gel pencil in black, tight lined. I just like doing that because it makes it look like it's your lashes. Like, it gets that all black there, and I just think it looks really pretty. So I do that, and then I'm going to put a little bit of L'Oreal Lash Paradise on the bottom lashes to pull the eyes together. And we're going to put a little bit on the lips. I'm going to get dressed, I think, and then do my hair, so I'm not like, or maybe not. No, I'll just do my hair, and then I'll get dressed. In Shocker Shocker, I'm going to use CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner in Caramel Nude. It's the best lip liner ever if you like a little bit of a darker nude lip liner to pair with any lipstick. It's beautiful. And then we're going to put on my new obsession, which is Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick Matte Formula in the shade 001 Nude Attitude. It's very nude, but it looks really good with this lipstick. Or with this lip liner, I mean. Okay, so here is the makeup all done. It isn't as bronzy as I was thinking. There's a little bit of a darker corner than I was thinking, but I still love the look, and I think it looks really pretty. But nothing ever turns out exactly how I want it to, you know? So now I'm going to do my hair real quick, and then we'll get dressed, and this will be done. So here is tonight's outfit. I am in love with it. I think it's the cutest outfit ever. I got this shirt from Target. It says living my best life. I think it's so cute. And then these shorts are from Target as well, $15 and like $14.99 I think. And I got a medium. It's a little bit cropped and it's just like really, really cute. And then this kimono is from Amazon, from my Amazon haul. Same with this necklace. These are really old hoops, but they're just ginormous gold hoops. You could replicate that. I just put a braid in my hair, which you'll see when I show you, like, I have to close out the video, but this is my outfit, and then I have on these espadrilles as well. I think I'm gonna wear these, but I'm not completely sure yet. I wanted to wear my white sneakers, but I don't want to get them dirty. I don't know what, like, the terrain is gonna look like, so this is my full outfit, and I am loving it. Okay, I am rushing so much to get out the door, but this is my final look. Let's zoom you out a tad. So I just curled my hair and put it in a little side braid like this, and I think it looks so cute. I have on these gold hoops, jewelry from Amazon as well, and then, you know, I showed you my outfit. So that's it. I really need to go. I need to make dinner, and I hope I don't spoil my outfit, but I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, do fashion hauls, that kind of thing too. And I really gotta go make dinner before this concert. So I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe. I said that already, and okay, I gotta go. Bye guys. I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye.